Hi everyone, before we get started, I'm going to deposit some fiat. So I click deposit, choose debit card, I'll put in $10 from my Visa, and then there's a text confirmation in the background and I click confirm deposit. All right, that was easy. Please be aware you also cannot spend or withdraw that money for about 5 days while it's settling from your bank. Okay, so I'm ready to buy Ether. So I'm going to scroll to the left to my Ether wallet and click buy. Then I'm going to buy $10 worth of Ether and then click continue. Then I see a summary screen that tells me how much Ether I'm buying, the price of Ether, the fees I'm paying, and then the total, and I click confirm. And that is it. I've bought 0.04 Ether. That's my Ether. I can choose to send it to another Ethereum wallet immediately. I also can sell it back or buy it back. And then if I scroll to the right, you can see the DAI wallet once more.